This is Thursday. This is the day we show the color map. As we look at today's advisory system update, we have 5 new purple counties: Medina, Portage, Richland, Stark, Summit, Lake, Lorain, and Montgomery remains purple. There are also 3 new counties on the watch list. They're back Cuyahoga again, Fairfield, and Madison counties. I've asked Dr. Andy Thomas to come back on in a moment to walk us through the situation in regard to Franklin County. As you see, Franklin is no longer purple. But before we do that, I want to talk just a little bit about this system and really what it means. 5 months ago, when we developed this system, it was intended to serve as an early warning system to let Ohioans know when to take increased precautions at a county level. So it was a warning. The alert system really is an early warning indicator, like maybe looking at a weather forecast for what the weather is going to be tomorrow in a couple of days. That's why it includes whether or not cases during the past 2 weeks are at a certain level or hospital use is at a certain level. But it also includes indicators of increasing trends in new cases, the trend lines. What's the trend in cases? What's the trend in outpatient visits, emergency visits, new hospital admissions? All those are trending. This is all very helpful information to tell us that a storm might be coming. However, today we are in a storm. And so quite candidly, this map has less value for us. Still we're going to put it up. Still it's going to be there. You're going to see what's happening. It is what it is, but it does not have as much relevance as it did when we started. What has the relevance is really when you look at where are we in regard to hospital utilization, which we just talked about, and our hospitals filling up, particularly in regard to ICU. The other thing, and that tells us what's the danger to our hospitals and therefore to all of us if we have to use a hospital. That is one key thing to look at. The other key thing is our chart that we had up here a moment ago, 1 to 88, which simply shows what is the spread in your county. What's the spread in your zip code in the last 2 weeks? And that tells you what the odds are, quite candidly, of on the street or in a building or somewhere else running into somebody or talking with someone or having a beer with someone or whatever who has COVID. And that is a great indicator of that. So those are really the most important two things that we have going.